Hi guys, this is Elise, and I know I have been missing in action. I have been to Michigan and back. I went to visit my mom and it was really nice. I got a chance to finally get to see her after almost a year and a half. I got a chance to go inside. I have been seeing her through the window, but I finally got a chance to go inside and sit with her and hug her and kiss on her and love on her. And it was really, really nice. So I was there, and then I brought back my niece and nephew with me, and they've been here for 2 weeks. And so I've been busy keeping them occupied, but my niece has been helping me craft. So what you see in front of you is my Saturday morning makes. I don't have any cards for you guys this morning, but I do have this really cute craft idea. My niece and I, we made these for the craft fair. I'm going to be in a craft fair in the area on September 11th, and I have lots of things to make so that I'll be getting ready for that. I won't have time for any Christmas in July, but I will be crafting for Christmas real soon as I get through finishing up the projects for this upcoming craft show. So let me show you what we made. So this is my Saturday morning makes for this week, and we made these adorable candle holders. And so this is a craft fall show, so this is a fall craft idea, and look how adorable he looks. Look how adorable. Okay, so this is a clay pot. We lucked up and we found some clay pots at Michael's, and they were 70% off. So they were only, I don't know, maybe about 60 or 70 cents a piece, which was really nice. And we bought quite a few of them, but I have 7 that I made here. I made 6 for the craft show, and I have one for myself because I actually don't have this in my bins for my craft, my holiday decor. So that's one of the things that I like to do. If you guys don't know me, if you're new to my channel, I do love crafting holiday decor. I probably do that more than I do paper crafting. So so my first craft project for the craft show is this little candle holder. And so this is a clay pot that we painted with some paint, and it's this like neutral color. It's really cute. And then I just took a Sharpie marker and drew on his little mouth. I Mod Podged on some fabric for his nose and added a few little stitches. And then I Mod Podged on the eyes and added a couple little wiggly eyes there. And I added some raffia for his little straw hair. And then I tied a bow and added this sunflower. And then the saucer, we painted that brown and added that at the top. And everything is glued together with E6000. And see, and now I can just set my little candle on top, and how adorable is that? So that is my first craft project for the craft fair, and this is something really simple that you can make at home, and it's just absolutely adorable. And hopefully I'll get a chance to come back throughout this next week and bring you more craft fair projects. So, but this is my first one, and you know, I have not been on in about 2 or 3 weeks. So I'm catching up on the videos. I haven't had a chance to watch all of the Saturday morning make videos, but I'm working on that, and I'm enjoying seeing all of the Christmas in July projects. But unfortunately right now I will not be able to pull out anything for Christmas right now because I'm just kind of a little overwhelmed with trying to get ready for this fall craft show. But Christmas is going to be right behind it, because not only am I going to be in the craft show for the fall, but I'm also signed up for the one for the winter, which is going to be November, I think it's November 3rd. So I have a lot of crafting to do. So I'll still be making cards because I do have my swap, which I'm going to hopefully come back and bring you my swap cards from last month, which was a red, white, and blue theme. I didn't get a chance to show those cards, but I still want to show those cards on my channel because they turned out so adorable. So anyhow, I just want to share this little project with you guys. I hope you guys like it. I think it's absolutely adorable. And anyway, all right guys, you have a great evening, and I will talk with you later. Bye.